With just a simple prompt, you can transform your photos while keeping your identity intact. Change the background, swap your shirt or outfit, add glasses, and customize even the smallest details, all while preserving a natural, realistic look. It doesn't stop there. With Krea 2 Identity Edit, you can also use outpainting to extend your image left, right, up, or down. The AI seamlessly expands the scene, creating realistic results that blend perfectly with your original photo. Originally, Krea 2 Identity Edit required a very high amount of VRAM to run locally. Thanks to OneGP, you can now use this amazing tool with as little as 6 to 8 gigabytes of VRAM, making it accessible to far more users. So in this video, I'll show you how to install OneGP, set everything up from scratch, and use Krea 2 Identity Edit to create stunning, realistic edits while keeping your identity consistent. Let's get started and install WonGP on your computer. Click on the GitHub link in my description to go to main page of OneGP. This is the only tool bringing all the new models which require very high VRAM to usable with low VRAM systems. You can check what's new in this update. For now, Krea 2 Identity Edit is what I am going to install this for. To install locally, you need at least 6 to 8 GB of VRAM, CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 12.8, FFmpeg, Visual Studio, Git for Windows. I have made a playlist on installing these dependencies. Once you're ready, click on Code option and copy Git code. Go to folder or drive you want to install this in and type cmd in folder path. A new command window will open. Type git clone and paste code you copied to clone this. Type cd and name of the folder cloned. Now you are inside cloned folder. Create venv using Python 3.10. Now activate venv with activation code. First thing you need to install is PyTorch. First, make sure what version it is with this code. It is important you install matching PyTorch for 11.8. I have tested it work with many PyTorch versions. To install, go to main PyTorch page and copy code matching your CUDA version. If you don't find matching code, just copy any code and paste in command window. CU126 is for CUDA 12.6 and 128B CUDA 12.8, and 118 is for CUDA 11.8. Also add Torch Audio before installing PyTorch. Once PyTorch installed inside main folder, there is requirements file. Open it. Change NumPy version if your CUDA toolkit is 11.8 and remove extra writings, one of ONCS runtime and ONCS runtime GPY from list. There also Insight Face. Remove all other except 3.10 and save requirements file. Now run requirements code in command window to install requirements. Once requirements install, run the main code. If you see this error somehow NumPy is installed, press Ctrl+C and install this NumPy version. Now run main code again. This will install some models. When you see a local URL, copy and paste in any browser to launch WAMP. To use this again, avoiding running codes in main folder, create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Now just double-click Run File and use it. From list, choose Crea 2. Choose Raw Identity, edit. Choose text to image or image in Painting, up to you. Enable Outpaint option. Choose directions you want to extend picture. Upload picture. Type prompt what changes you want. Choose resolution, number of steps, then click Generate. And that's it. If you run into any issues during the installation, leave a comment below with your GPU model, CUDA version, and the error message. I'll do my best to help you get everything running. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.